Presenting the Vivo Y73 smartphone. The smartphone comes in diamond flare and also available in Roman black color. Both the color variants are available with and without offers. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM, extended 3GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for easy multitasking. It has expandable memory storage of up to 128GB, which makes switching between apps even smoother. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Vivo Y73 comes with an ultra-slim design and AG matte glass finish. It has a 6.44 inches AMOLED display with 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity. It has a triple rear camera setup with 64 megapixel AF main camera, 2 megapixel bokeh camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. It has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. It also features dual view video, LED flash and AI super night mode. Powered by Funtouch OS 11.1 based on Android 11 operating system with Helio G95 Octa core processor, this makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone has a 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 33-watt flash charge. The box includes handset, charger, earphone and Type-C to USB cable, SIM eject tool, case, warranty card and a quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.